All right, well, there's an important event coming up on Saturday that's aimed at keeping your heart healthy. It's not the primary election, but Manolo tells us about the upcoming Heart Walk.
Here with Howard Lee, the president and CEO of UHA, and Dr. Pearl Whittaker, also with the American Heart Association. I'll start with you, doctor, and being that it's still, heart disease is still the #1 killer in America, including Hawaii, and is the message not getting through to everyone? Why is it still such a problem for so long?
Well, the most important thing about the American Heart Association is everything we do is based on science. So a lot of things that we have learned from monies raised from events like the Heart Walk on August 11th is that every generation, every culture has a different prevalence of heart disease. So what happens is locally we find that, as we all know, the Hawaiian population and now the Filipino population has become very evident in terms of their prevalence of different types of heart disease. So our challenge is to get the message out to these groups that maybe didn't hear the message before.
What should they be doing more or less of, whatever the case may be? Yeah.
Well, I mean, a lot of it is lifestyle changes. Most of it, importantly, is to know the numbers. So they actually have a website called mylifecheck.org that allows people to answer 7 questions about their blood pressure, their blood sugar, lifestyle, diet, activity, stress levels. It helps people understand what the risk is for them. And it also, most importantly, allows you to know, how do I fix this? What do I do if my blood pressure is high? What do I do if I'm not having the right diet mix? How do I change those things?
So yeah, that's a good way to really just get a good grade of how you're doing.
Exactly.
It's called mylifecheck.org.
Yes.
Okay. All right, Howard, I want to talk. I know Dr. Whittaker mentioned the Heart Walk and August 11th, and so I know you guys will be very much in participation. Talk about that a little bit.
Yeah, we just want to encourage everyone to come out, whether it's for exercise, to come out for a nice family event, or to honor someone that maybe passed away from heart disease. Recently, we lost our founder and CEO, Dr. Max Botticelli, who is a huge champion of the American Heart Association.
Sure.
So our associates have printed some special T-shirts, and we're going to be honoring Dr. Botticelli for all the good things he has done in this community and to continue on with his legacy.
You want to present a challenge also out there, get more people.
Yes, I mean, the way we're going to solve this is by leadership. So I want to present a challenge to all the CEOs and all the leaders out there. Let's get a walking club together. Encourage your employees to come out and walk. That's the best thing you can do, is get them to keep good care of themselves and good health.
August 11th, is it at Kapiolani Park?
That's right,
okay.
Kapiolani Park.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember that date, August 11th, and certainly it's mylifecheck.org.
And remember that heart disease is still the #1 killer, so you can do something about it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.
Catching the wave to better health in Wake Up Today is sponsored by UHA.